Assalamualaikum, welcome to Bmaa. I have today chicken tikka masala, world famous Indian dish, very popular. So to make chicken tikka masala, first of all we need the chicken. This is tandoori chicken, off the bone, just a chicken breast. So with this, cut this into a small size, curry size pieces. Here we have 5 pieces for one portion. So we're making 2 portions. So there's about 10 pieces in here. So this is pre-cooked in the clay oven. And to begin with, in a pan, add ghee, clarified butter with sugar and coconut powder, almond powder, and tikka paste. This is tikka paste. Few minutes in medium flame, then add the curry sauce. Medium curry sauce added to the masala sauce. Add some carnation milk and using single cream here. And we have beautiful chicken tikka masala. Now we have masala sauce. We'll be adding the chicken tikka pieces and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes with chicken in. Please do subscribe to my channel with bell icon on so you get notification every time I upload the new videos, and do like, comment and share, please. Your opinion is very valuable to us. And here we have, after about 5 minutes of cooking, chicken tikka masala, beautiful, colorful and very popular. And it's time to pack now. This will be student meal deal. So 2 small containers, 2 small portions. And at the end, add some single cream on top. And we have chicken tikka masala. Thank you for watching.